Buzz and Snicker were both cross. They were always left out because they were little, so they decided that they would build some jumps of their own. Buzz was just as good at building jumps as Tom. And Snicker was much better than Winnie at jumping over them.
Come on, Winnie! Oh dear, is this one too big too? We'll have to look for something else. Oh yes, we do. Tom's got an idea.
Snicker and Buzz soon got bored of having just one little jump, and so they went to look for something bigger.
Hay bales! They'll make a good jump. Well done, Tom.
At last, I've got started. Nothing's going to stop me now.
Snicker and Buzz saw the big drums of paint on the back of Rev. They'd make great jumps.
Hey, what are you doing? Rev, stop them! Quack, quack. Oh no. I wanted to paint the farmhouse, not the whole farm. Well, at least I can follow them. You two, you're going to help clear up all this mess you've made. Hey, come back!
Matt chased Buzz and Snicker all round the farm.
Ow! I've hurt my foot! Help!
Mo and Winnie were keeping a lookout. Fee was now ready for a game of football.
Hi, everybody. I'm back.
But Riv, Snicker and Tom were just too tired from all that tidying up.
Oh dear. Sounds like you're all worn out. Here, you two. See if you can liven things up.
Oh, well, that's a great kick from Fee. Buzz takes it on the head. Now Rev's got the ball.
That's it.
Hooray!
Go on, Rev. You're a natural.
Well, that's lovely ball control from Rev. Buzz comes in fast. He's looking for a shot at goal.
Come on, Buzz.
Oh!
Buzz! Buzz! Are you okay? Oh dear, I've got an awful feeling about this.
Buzz, speak to us. Say something. I think he'll live. Shame about all this mess, though.
Oh, don't worry about that. Everyone knows what to do. They'll soon have it tidied up again.
Back at the farm, Buzz and Snicker had finally found something to do. They were playing a game of dares. First, Buzz dared Snicker. Then, Snicker dared Buzz. Meanwhile, Matt was still on the phone.
You don't say. Did she really? You're kidding. Okay then, John. Great to hear from you. Gotta go. Oh no, look what's happened to my sausages. Why didn't you tell me, Rev? No, of course they're not supposed to be like that. Oh, sorry, Rev. It's not your fault. The thing is, I was really looking forward to them. I'm starving. Good idea, Rev. I'll see if I can borrow some more from Fee.
But Fee had her hands full, trying to calm down Mo and Wheezy.
Okay, I know Buzz and Snicker can be a bit naughty, but they're only young after all. No, you're right. It's no excuse. They shouldn't behave like that. I'll tell them off when I see them. Honestly, I will. I promise. You know what the trouble is, Tom? It's Sunday, everyone's bored. I wish I could think of something exciting for everyone to do. Ah, here's Matt. Maybe he'll have some ideas.
Hi, Fee.
Hi, Matt. How's it going with the new barbecue?
Oh, it's going great. The thing is, though, I need to borrow a few more sausages.
No problem. I've got some in the fridge. It's fun eating outdoors, isn't it?
Oh, it's great. You can't beat it.
What's that, Tom? A picnic? What a good idea. That'll keep everyone out of mischief. What do you think, Matt?
Well, yes. Why not?
Great! I'll make everyone's favourite food. And you can bring your barbecue.
First, Fee and Tom went all round the farm, inviting everyone to the picnic. But Buzz and Snicker had nothing special to do, so they were ready for some mischief.
One sack of flour for you, Rev. And some jars of honey for the little guy. Can you manage that? Excuse me, phone. Hello? Okay, I'll look behind the barn. Fee's lost the sheep. Again.
Rev teased Buzz that he was too small to carry a proper load. Buzz said that he might be small, but he was much faster than Rev. Rev didn't agree, so they decided to have a race.
Out, all of you. You should be looking after your lambs.
Buzz and Rev were ready to race. Ready, steady, go!
What happened to you, Tom? Oh, look. Have you lost your mum? You must be hungry. Let's take you back to the farm and find you some milk.
Buzz and Rev finished their race and then started to argue about who had won.
What was all that noise?
Look what we found.
That's not your mummy. That's Tractor Tom. How come Tom's gone white?
It must be dust or something.
It wasn't one of you two playing games? It's a mystery then.
Well, there's no time to solve it now. The lamb needs some milk.
Come on, little one.
Buzz and Rev knew why Tom had turned white, and they thought it was very funny.
Now Rev and Buzz are at the starting line, and it's a grudge match between these two speedy machines. Rev's got the power, and he's pulling ahead. Buzz is falling behind. But wait, he's made a brilliant tactical move. Rev's made a big mistake. And Buzz bounces ahead to cross the line first. Now we go over to the six-legged race. They're off. Oh dear, a technical hitch as two competitors get stuck together. And, well, we'll have to check the rules here. But I think we can safely call that a dead heat. Now the final event of the day, the shot put, featuring the mighty power of Tom and Matt. Matt throws first.
Whoa!
Now it's Tom's turn. Oh dear, it's going off course. And a bit more bad luck for Rev there. So Matt wins the shot put, while Tom finishes the sports day by beating the all-time speed record.
And now, Matt, for winning the shot put, I'd like to present you with this magnificent cup.
Thanks, Fee. I needed that. and I'd like to thank Fee for organising the sports day. 3 cheers for Fee! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!
Buzz was bored, but Wheezy went on and on. So Buzz decided to see how bad the wind really was. Buzz thought the wind was great. It was almost like flying. Maybe he could fly. An extra strong gust of wind caught him, and Buzz really was flying. Then the wind dropped, and so did Buzz.
Oh no! It is Buzz! How are we going to get him down? Careful! Matt?
I had this great idea that wasn't such a great idea.
No, you're a genius.
Am I?
Tom, go and get loads of hay from the haystack. Mo, you just keep out of the way. And Matt, can you move Rev? You don't mind if I use your umbrella, do you?
While Tom fetched the hay, Fee climbed the tree.
And it's not easy with this thing. I thought Rev had broken down.
So did I, but he was just being naughty. What are you doing?
Making a parachute for Buzz, of course. Not yet! The hay's not in position!
Good work, Tom.
Buzz is saved. Do you think you could do Tom's jobs for today? To start off with, we have to move the sheep, so you'll need the trailer. Come on, Buzz. Oh dear, we'll have to move the sheep one by one.
So Buzz moved the sheep one at a time. Oh dear.
This could take some time.
Not feeling too well? Oh, we'll have you fixed in no time. Well, almost no time. I know, I'll get Rev to help.
This isn't going very well, is it? They're still all here. Maybe we should try moving the hay bales. I'm sure you can do that.
OK, Rev will tow you up to the top of Beckton Hill and then we'll bump start you. Hey, don't worry, it's a great idea and it's bound to get you working again.
Are those bales too big for you? We need to move them into Mo's field.
Matt had taken Tom to the top of Beckton Hill.
Now, don't do anything until I've tidied up this tow rope.
Rev thought he'd give Tom a helping hand.
Hey, come back!
Where's Buzz gone? Careful! You can't see where you're going. Oh dear. Maybe we should try some ploughing.
Tom heard the thunder too. So he asked Buzz to help him make sure that everyone was safe. Winnie was very frightened of the storm. So was Snicker, although he tried to pretend that he wasn't. Tom had an idea. Why didn't they go to the barn, where they'd be dry and warm? Tom and Buzz agreed that they should collect all the other animals too.
Wait for me.
What's going on?
Hi, Fee.
What are you all doing here?
Keeping dry.
Good idea. But aren't you going to get very bored? The storm could last for hours.
We could have a sing-song. Or Wheezy could tell us a story.
Why don't we have a show and tell?
What's that?
It's easy. Everyone shows us their favourite thing in the world. Who wants to start?
The rain poured down. And Wheezy started to tell a story. Wheezy said that if Tom kept digging the big hole in the ground, sooner or later, if he kept digging, he'd go right the way through the earth and come out on the other side. In Australia. Wheezy said that when it was winter in Spring Hill Farm, it was summer in Australia. Tom said thank you. Wheezy had given him an idea of how he could cheer up Farmer Fee. The next day, the weather was even worse. But Tom was up early because he had a plan. He was going to dig until he reached Australia. Then Fee could have her holiday in the sun. Meanwhile, there was trouble in Matt's caravan.
I know it's raining outside, but this is my home, not yours. Get out, all of you. No, I haven't got a hairdryer, and this caravan isn't big enough for both of us. I wish I hadn't said that.
Tom carried on digging, and the hole got deeper and deeper. Buzz and Wheezy came to see what he was up to, and Tom told them about his plan. Wheezy said they'd help him. Tom wasn't the only one who needed help.
Fee, you've got to do something. I can't move them. Every time I turf one out, 2 more come back in.
Tom, Wheezy and Buzz worked hard, but after an hour, they still hadn't reached Australia. Tom decided they needed more help.
Right, that's got rid of the sheep. But look at your caravan.
What about it?
It's such a mess. I'll help you tidy up. You've got so much rubbish in here.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. There's this for a start. What is it?
That's a useful piece of plastic.
But it's enormous.
That's what makes it useful.
You don't need it in your caravan. I'm putting it outside for now. Maybe we can find room for it in the barn.
Wheezy and Buzz got Riff to help dig the hole. Mo, Winnie and Snicker carried away the earth. And the sheep smoothed it out. And the hole got deeper and deeper and deeper.
Do you need an old deck chair?
Yes.
No, you don't. It's going out. These two. You've got so much stuff in here, I don't know how you ever find anything.
Fee and Tom were searching the paddock when Buzz arrived.
Oh, no. If Rev's in trouble, you'd better go and help him, Tom. There's nowhere else for us to look for Riff. We've searched the whole farm.
Buzz and Rev hadn't been able to move the tree trunk, but it was no trouble for Tom. Buzz and Rev raced back to the barn, but Tom was still worried about Riff. And then he thought of one place that Fee hadn't looked for her.
This has been the worst birthday I've ever had.
Maybe a party would cheer you up.
No. All I want to do is find Riff.
Tom rushed up the hill to the one place where they hadn't looked for Riff. Matt's caravan.
Oh, Tom! That's where Riff was. She was having puppies. Oh, Riff! They're beautiful.
And now we can start your birthday.
And it'll be extra special because it's the puppy's birthday too.
Happy birthday, Fee. And everyone's bought you a present. I'll show you. From Mo, a pair of gloves to keep your hands warm when you milk her. The Combine Harvester Book of Corny Jokes from Wheezy. A quad bike CD player for Buzz. That's from Buzz. A big feather duster from Whack and Back and the Hens, made with their own feathers. A hubcap from Rev. A new saddle from Snicker and Winnie. A pot of cream from Purdy. A new shirt from me, your favourite colour. And a diving suit from the sheep. They hope you'll enjoy diving as much as they do.
Thank you, everyone. But I think Tom brought me the best present of all. He found Riff and her puppies. Mwah! You've given me the best birthday I've ever had.
What would we do without him?
What would I do without you all?